welcome to a members exclusive tutorial. This one is going to be a simple line work design for you guys. I've got clip art for you on this one as well, and it's great for any holiday, any time of the year. Alright, so I know it's summer right now, and then next we're going to have fall festival season, and so line work designs are where it's at for me at this moment. And this is a great one. You don't need to add any artwork to it, and it only takes 3 balloons and comes together really quickly. For today, I'll be using a pink, a purple, and a blue, probably one of my favorite color combos. And the blue I've inflated all the way and then just tied the ends together. And we're going to go ahead and start on this one here. So we're making a butterfly wand, and what we're going to do is we're going to twist this into a butterfly really quickly here. So instead of coming out and finding the midpoint, I'm going to bring my hand up a little bit. This hand is on the nozzles and all that over here. Bring your hands together and twist. So you're going to make a big loop and then a small loop. Alright, and now we're going to bring those balloons together and then find the middle point of all of them. Okay, and then twist, bring your hands together and twist all that together so you have a nice butterfly. We're going to set this butterfly aside for a second while we work on our other 2 balloons really quickly. So I've tied these together. They have about 4 or 5 inch tail here. You want it to be a nice long tail because we're going to do some poodle tails at the very end. So you want to have room for that. So to start off in these guys, we're going to do 2 pinch twists here to kind of get them going, and I'm going to do my pinch twist at the same time. So the way you do that is you're just going to twist off a bubble with both balloons together, and then we're going to twist those bubbles in opposite directions of each other, and that will turn them into 2 little pinch twists here to start off our butterfly wand. Alright, now we're going to spiral everything up. So get to spiraling, and we're gonna go almost to the top. So I'm gonna cut it off right about there, and we're gonna grab, or actually twist these together first. It'd be kind of hard to do that without twisting them together first. So it kind of looks like a Fortnite pickaxe at the moment. We're gonna take our butterfly and place it right in between our 2 tails here. And we're just going to come up and over our butterfly. Now if this part untwists like mine just did, it's okay. We're going to fix it in a second. Alright, we're just going to twist on top here. Alright, so you could leave it like that though, but I just don't feel like it's very secure just having it like this. So I always like to add 2 pinch twists below the butterfly, just because I really don't want this coming undone when kids are playing with it. So I'm going to take where I had it twisted, and we're going to twist it back again, like that. And then I'm going to make another twist just below here, so we're making 2 little bubbles. Okay, so just little ones, like that. See what we're doing, what we got there? Okay, now we're going to fold our balloon over and pull those 2 bubbles out. Kind of get your fingers wrapped around them. And then we're just going to twist those around, and that is going to turn them into 2 pinch twists with 1 shot. Let's get it all lined up here. And there we go, 2 little pinch twists. All right, and this will really stabilize everything so that this won't come undone when the kids start playing with it. You could do the same thing up top here, do 2 pinch twists, or you could go right into making your little poodle tails at the end of this. I kind of like to do 2 little pinch twists here because then you have more control over how these little antennas sit, and then they're also not going to come untwisted. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm just going to twist my balloons together so that I have 2 little bubbles here that I made. And then we're going to twist those bubbles around themselves to make 2 pinch twists. And then we can line everything up so that you have a little bit more control over these antennas and how they sit on top of the head, and also pulls them up a little bit and away from the wings, which I think just gives it a better look overall. So that is how I do my butterfly wands. I'm not sure who originally invented this design, but I've seen it around a few places. I really wanted clip art for it, and I wanted to be able to offer you guys a tutorial for it. The other thing I do on this is I turn these top wings out to the side like that. I just think that looks really nice. And you can even give them a little bit of shape, make them a little bit more triangular. And I just love that, okay? And this design looks great from both sides. This is a little girl magnet. Trust me, I'm a girl, so I know. My daughter would love this too. And then you can put some really cute, like big eyes on here. Let me get a marker and show you what I would do. All right, so I know I said in the beginning that this design did not need any artwork, and it doesn't. But if you want to add some artwork, this is how I would do mine. So I've done two really big black circles on that pinch twist, and I added some eyelashes and just a tiny little mouth. And then we're gonna finish it off with some white in the eyes with just my Posca paint pen here, which I'll link down below to where you can get these on Amazon. All right, so I've added some white circles to her eyes. So I've done a big circle and then a little one off to the side of it, and they're both kind of pointing the same direction on each eye. That way it looks like she's looking off to the side. It's super cute. I just love this. And if you want to step it up even another notch, you can add some blush. Now, if you have a face paint palette, you could do some pink paint to make like a nice smooth looking blush. Or if you could just do a pink Sharpie, which probably all of my balloon artist friends have. So we're just gonna add some blush on her cheeks and make her super duper cute. Like how that just steps up this design and makes it so completely adorable. Okay, now I have clip art for this in like a purple pink color that's good for all year. We've also got it in red, white, and blue, so this would be a great one to add to any patriotic events that you're doing. And then as we go through the year, I'll probably add like Halloween colors and maybe Christmas colors, do like a Christmas butterfly for your menus, because this is just such a great one to have on line work menus. And I think this is my new favorite butterfly instead of the other butterfly that I've done for years. Like, I love this one so much. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to snag your clip art for this. I'll link it down below as well so you can get right to it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for being part of the Twisterhood. Bye!